Welcome to my Vitamix Propel 750 review. The Propel 750 can tackle tough ingredients like ice and frozen fruit without breaking a sweat. You'll love how it turns chunky veggies into silky smooth purees in seconds. And the best part? It's got 5 preset programs for things like smoothies, hot soups, and frozen desserts. Just toss in your ingredients, push a button, and let it do its thing. The 64-ounce container is perfect for making big batches. Whether you're meal prepping or mixing up margaritas for a party, you've got plenty of space. And cleanup is a breeze. The container is dishwasher safe, or you can use the self-cleaning program. Just add a drop of soap and some warm water, and it'll clean itself in about a minute. You've got total control over your blends with 10 different speed settings. Want a chunky salsa? Keep it on low. Craving a velvety smoothie? Crank it up high. The pulse feature lets you get that perfect texture every time. Say goodbye to guesswork. With 5 preset options, you can whip up smoothies, hot soups, frozen desserts, dips, and spreads at the touch of a button. These programs take the hassle out of blending, giving you perfect results every time. Want a creamy smoothie? Just hit the smoothie button and let the blender do its magic. If you feel like getting creative, the variable speed control and pulse feature puts you in charge. Adjust the speed to get the exact texture you want, from silky, smooth purees to chunky salsas. The pulse function gives you quick bursts of power for more control over your blend. It's like having a pro chef's skills at your fingertips. Cleaning up is often the worst part of cooking, but not with this blender. It practically cleans itself. Just add warm water and a drop of dish soap, run it on high for 60 seconds, and voila, it's clean. No need to take it apart or scrub by hand. This blender isn't just powerful, it's built to last. The 7-year warranty shows how confident the maker is in its durability. The 64-ounce container is made from BPA-free Triton plastic, which can stand up to daily use. The stainless steel blades are tough enough to crush ice and break down tough veggies. You won't need to replace this blender anytime soon. The Propel 750 boasts a powerful motor that can handle just about anything you throw at it. With 10 speed settings, you can fine-tune your blending to get the perfect consistency every time. Whether you're making smoothies, soups, or nut butters, this blender has got you covered. The stainless steel blades are built to last and can easily crush ice and pulverize frozen fruits. You'll love how it can turn raw ingredients into silky, smooth concoctions in seconds. Plus, the auto shutoff feature adds an extra layer of convenience and safety to your blending experience. You'll love the roomy 64-ounce jar on this blender. It's perfect for whipping up smoothies for the whole family or prepping a week's worth of soup. No more blending in small batches, just toss everything in and let it rip. The large size is great for parties too. You can easily make frozen margaritas or dips for a crowd. While the big jar is handy, it might be overkill for small jobs. It takes up more cabinet space too. But if you like to blend in bulk, you'll dig the extra room to work with. Next up in my Vitamix Propel 750 review, let's look at the pros and cons. You'll love the 5 preset programs for different tasks. Making smoothies, hot soups, frozen desserts, and dips is a breeze. The powerful motor can handle tough ingredients with ease. Cleanup is super easy thanks to the self-cleaning feature. Just add soap and water, and it cleans itself in about a minute. The 64-ounce container is perfect for making big batches. You get precise control with variable speed settings and a pulse feature. It comes with a 7-year warranty, giving you peace of mind. The price tag might make your wallet cry. It's a big investment. The blender is pretty loud when running at high speeds. It's heavy and takes up counter space, so it might not be ideal for small kitchens. The Vitamix Propel 750 blender packs a punch with its powerful motor and versatile features. You'll love how it can handle tough ingredients with ease, whipping up everything from silky smoothies to creamy soups. The pre-programmed settings take the guesswork out of blending, while the pulse function gives you precise control. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the self-cleaning feature. Though pricey, Many users find it's worth the investment for its durability and performance. Overall, if you're serious about blending, the Vitamix Propel 750 delivers professional quality results right in your kitchen.